Those look like they're for your hair. What's on them?
Monkey.
Good morning, Grandma. Happy Easter.
It brought me everything I wanted because I'm a good girl. I got a net.
Buddy was a doing last night,
And some fake cookies.
well, then Buddy must be a pretty good guy.
And M&M.
M&M. Oh, no.
What else? What else?
Movies about the dinosaurs
You
again.
like that dinosaur?
There's 1, 2, and 3. Looks like they're stuck together.
Movies about the dinosaurs.
They're stuck.
Dinosaur movies.
These are little punch-out animals. Little cardboard ducks and chicks.
Horses.
What is in my eye?
Would you know what these are?
Yes. Yes. I know.
It's called a Viewmaster. And you hold it up?
Daddy used to have one of these when he was little. And you look at it. And it's got pictures in it.
Who does it have pictures? You need to put your egg down, sweetie. Who is it a picture of?
Hey.
You see the picture? Who's it a picture of?
I don't know. It was a picture of something I didn't know.
Oh.
It looks like a duck. Is it Donald Duck?
Yep, it sure does look like Donald Duck, but it isn't. Look! Another one!
Another one. Oh. What's in that one?
I don't know. I will put my egg down. A car! Look, Mommy, and this one. A car!
Wow. That's great.
What are you doing?